morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to serve chicken, egg, vegetables with cheese toast. Let's come to the cooking. Here are the ingredients. These are tomatoes, cabbage, spinach, capsicum, onion, carrot, chicken keema. It is fried. My mother helped me doing it. And 2 eggs, black pepper, salt to taste, and some garlic, and the turmeric powder, and the ghee. It can be also used butter or white oil, but I am using ghee. And here are the main ingredients. It is the bread and cheese. Now let's break the eggs. I will take this spoon and break it nicely, and then give the egg, and then the another one. Yes, and now I will mix it. So in egg, it has iron and vitamin E. Now I will give all the ingredients one by one. It's the cabbage. It has vitamin A in rich. Now I will give the carrot. It also has vitamin A. Now I will give the spinach. It is also enriched in vitamin A and iron. Now I will give the onion. It is rich in vitamin B6. It's a capsicum. It has vitamin C, and the tomato also contains vitamin C. Now the chilies, it contains vitamin A. Now in garlic, it is given for some smell and taste. Salt as taste. Some pepper, black pepper. Turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, which is very nice for our health. The chicken, which is rich in high protein. I have fried the chicken. My mother helped me to do that. Now I'll mix all the things. Mix it very well. Light the oven, and now give my frying pan. In this pan only I have fried the chicken, and in that pan only I will give the ghee. Here it is. Now let it be hot for a time. So the flame is now low, and I will give the everything. Now I will give the bread, which is rich in carbohydrate. It's the 1, and it's the 2, and 2. And and I will press it a little so it gets smacked with the egg. I will slice the bread, the egg. Now I will fold it so two sides are available, and that bread also. I need to bake it nicely, otherwise it won't be so tasty. I will bake it nicely so the ingredients is not some like that. In low flame. Now I will turn the flame off and serve it. The one, the second one, and my yummy, tasty thing is ready. Now I will slice it in shape of triangle. Boom, and it's also boom. Now I will grate the cheese as I said before in the ingredients. To both of the toast, to all the plate. My yummy, healthy and tasty breakfast is ready. So I will serve it with the tomato sauce.